Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to link to Cash App accounts. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official Cash App application on your mobile phone. So if you do not already have an application, what you can do is download it. Go to the App Store on your mobile phone, opening up the search bar in your App Store and finding Cash App. So search for Cash App, find the application and install it. So once you have installed it, you can go ahead and open it up and you'll be greeted by the login page where you can log in with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. So this is the home page where we can take a look at our cash balance, our savings, and all the other options that we can access. And now we can get started with linking our accounts. So what do we have to do to link our accounts? Well guys, what we're looking for is right here in the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, you can take a look at your profile icon. Your profile picture in the upper right corner is going to enable you to open up your account settings. So what you want to do is click on your profile picture in the upper right corner. By clicking on it, it's going to open up your settings tab where you can find all the settings that you can use for managing your account. And one of those options is going to be your cash tag info. So basically in the upper left corner, you'll be able to take a look at your cash tag hashtag. And from there, you'll be able to click on that to add new accounts. You can add multiple accounts to one phone. And by adding those accounts, you can link them using your Cash App and you'll be able to switch between accounts whenever you want. And by linking those Cash App's accounts, you can then go ahead and use whichever one you prefer when you need it. But guys, to link two accounts into one and to share the money is just not possible, but you can go ahead and switch between accounts. So that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.